nice and good afternoon to all. First, I introduce myself. I am R. Edward from Tamil Nadu and I am studying PPT first year in Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute in ACS Medical College and Hospital, Chennai. Before I share my views about Physio Webicon 2020, I like to share about my journey towards this physiotherapy career. My journey towards physiotherapy, it is not a bed of roses. It is full of pains and problems, and I've gone through a lot of struggles. First, I tried for the MBBS doctor, but I didn't get. Then I choose my field for the physiotherapy. Because after I complete my school education, the only thought and the vision for me to do my career in the medical field. Because there's only one thought for me, whatever career I pursue, it brings me happiness. The one thing which brings me happiness is make others happy. The only profession in all the field which makes each and everyone happy and keep smiling is a medical profession. So I pursue this career in this medical profession. So now I'm proud to say I'm a future physiotherapist. And one thing, in physiotherapists are always been higher and higher when compared to the other doctors. You know about that? Yes. When it comes to the relationship between the doctor and the patient, physiotherapists are more and more efficient and they create a strong bond towards the patient. It's the greatest advantage when it comes to the physiotherapist. And my vision towards physiotherapists, I want to be a role model and create awareness for the people and also towards my younger generation to pursue the career in the physiotherapy field. Because nowadays these physiotherapists have been developing more and more. And I've learned a lot from this, and after I've seen your webicons and the sessions and the lectures, now I'm so feel relaxed and I'm saying to me, Edward, you have taken a correct decision and you're going to achieve something great in the future. So truly, I will be a good physiotherapist in the future, and my vision and my goal towards the physiotherapy and the physical therapy would be very much useful to serve the people. Because my foremost thinking, the goal to make the people happy and keep them smiling, yes, I will achieve in the future as a physiotherapist doctor. Okay. And next, I like to share my views about this great international conference about Physio Webicon 2020. The first thing I need to mention, and I need to thankful for Haryana Chapter Association of Physiotherapy to the President, Dr. R.K. Mughal sir. Thanks a lot from the bottom of my heart, because without the initiation and effort, this great event won't be happen. So first of all, my foremost thanks to you, and next thanks to the student wing of Haryana Chapter Association of Physiotherapy. You are great to me, because without the efforts and the coordination, this 5 days event won't be happen for the allocating of the speakers and the lectures and the interaction and the Facebook, everything we have organized properly, and whoever I've messaged about this Webicon, each and everyone responding properly and clear all my doubts. So thank you for that. And next thing, important feature of this Physio Webicon, it is the first international conference which happened in the physiotherapy field. So it's great, and I'm so being blessed and proud to attend this webinar the first time international conference. So thank you for it. And next thing is about selection of speakers. It's very much essential, because you have selected a great speakers of this 15 speakers, and 15 lectures was so good. And the topics I've given was so in-depth, and I'm become learning each and everything. Since I'm a first year, these topics are very much new to me, but I've learned a lot. I'm so happy, and I say to my friends that these topics I've learned in the first year itself. Lots of topics I've learned. It's all because of you. Thank you for this. And it's one of the important features you have learned. And next thing, about the very important feature I need to mention is about unity. Everyone think how unity will be the important feature of Physio Webicon? Yes, because I have a great example. Because it was organized by Haryana Chapter Association of Physiotherapy, but the message is received to me, to my college, and also to me, and I am also taking a part of this. So when come to the profession, each and everyone is equal. You break the chain of the inequality and you make each and everyone equal and unity when come to the profession. So hats off for that, and thank you for making me a part of this. And next, last special features, a special mention to the broadcasting partner and chairman of AOMPT, Orthopedics Manual Physical Therapy, is none other than Professor Dr. K. Senthil Kumar sir. So my heartfelt thanks to you, because you've been a great role model for me. Apart from, I've learned a lot, and I've attended a free workshop of history of manual therapists. The one thing I need to tell here, I know after the BPT, doing a master's, I have a lot of fields. The fields which I know is cardio, physio, neuro, ortho, that's it. But I came to know about the manual therapists. It's very surprising to me. It's all because of you, sir. And apart from learning, your motivation, you're a great motivational speaker. You have not only in the learning, the interaction towards the children, and the way you make us being a smiles, everything is great. Salute to you. And a lot of motivational words you have told. The one thing I need to mention here, what is the difference between positivity and negativity? What is the difference between good and the bad, God and the devil? Yeah. What is the meaning of negativity? When there is absence of positivity, I repeat again, when there is an absence of the positivity, the negativity exists. Negativity will arise. Wow, I surprised to hear these words from you, because whenever the teacher is taking the classes, somewhat we will be listening and somewhat we have become bored. But and I will say 100% to each and everyone that Professor Senthil Kumar sir was 100%, class was so efficient, and you will make everyone attentive. If we attend 2 hours class, not only 2 hours, when come to the morning to evening, if you attend your classes, we will be like the same as in morning also. So special thank you for this, sir. Not only apart from this Webicon, you also made us so participate in lot of events, to asking questions to the speakers, taking screenshots, and many things you have done. The one thing I've seen you never get being you never get being so dull. Every time when you come live, your webinars, your speech, and your face, when I saw your face, I've got something in me, like a boost up or energy I've got. So thank you for that. And there's no word is equal to compliment you, sir, because you're so adorable and you're great. That's it. And next thing I need to mention about the top 3 speakers. And I have gone through 15 speakers with all these 5-day session. The first speaker I need to mention about the Dr. Nidhi Agarwal man. Yeah, a great man. I've learned a session of assessment of neonatal reflexes and their significance. Yes, apart from treatment and the management, assessment is very much important. I've learned about ATNR, STNR, ATNR asymmetric neurotonic reflexes, and STNR also. And you have learned me and teach me a lot of reflexes. For example, sucking and swallowing. And when come to the plantar gross reflexes, palmar gross reflexes, which happen in intrauterine life or in gestation period. You have mentioned the age, and a live demonstration with the doll was out of the world. You have given a lot of lectures. So thank you for that, ma'am, and thank you so much. And next speaker about Dr. Narkesh Armugam sir. So I don't know why you're so familiar to me. I don't know why the reason, but it's so familiar to me. So you have teach about me about the knee. Total examination from the part A to Z, you have teach me a lot. From anatomy of the knee, biomechanics, and also the pain relief. For example, for the medial collateral or medial collateral pain, medial lateral pain, and to the meniscus. We also teach about the conventional physiotherapy treatment, that is about the footwear alteration and the proper knee bracing, everything. And a demonstration with the person you have demonstrated was awesome, sir. The one thing special thing I need to mention about you, because not every speaker will answer each and every questions of students, but you answer each and every questions. And one thing, you also answers for my question, the special thing I need to mention here. So thank you for that, sir. And I'm so happy to hear your words and taking part in your great session. Hope I will take part in all your lectures and session for the follow. And the next speaker I need to mention, my favorite, Professor Dr. Senthil Kumar sir. about myofascial and the manual therapies. You teach a lot about the palpitation, finger level palpitation, lay level palpitation, and everything. The gliding process, sliding process, everything you have mentioned. I've learned a lot from you. An example, how to treat a trigger points. We've seen the instrument algometer, and one word I've learned this session is tensegrity. It was awesome, and everything you have teach. I already told about you. Apart from learning, I become very motivation when I see you and when I listen your classes. So thank you for that. You have been a great role model. So last but not least, I need to talk about something. Yeah. So first last but not least, I need to thanks to the corona. Yeah. Well, everyone think why I want to thank to the corona? Because of this corona, I've used this quarantine holidays like in a useful manner in my own profession to learn, to get intellectual knowledge about these great persons, great peoples, and the great thoughts and talks. So once again, I thank everyone for being a great effort and great support for me. I request you to organize lot of conferences in upcoming years and giving opportunity a lot of physiotherapy students like me. So I will also taking part in each and every conference you're making like this. And once again, I am thankful and heartful wishes and thankful to everyone. It's a great successful event, and I've been so happy to take part. I thank God and my family and my college and the teachers, everyone taking part of this. So thankful for you. So thank you. Last but not least, I'm proud to be a future physiotherapist. So thank you everyone.